Welcome back, students. Today we are going to study average velocity and instantaneous velocity with an example which is given in our book. Average velocity and instantaneous velocity. But what is average velocity? First, we will have brainstorming upon average velocity. Average velocity. Average velocity of a body is the displacement of the body divided by the time interval in which displacement occurs. Again, average velocity of a body is the displacement of the body divided by the time interval in which displacement occurs. It is constant for an entire route. One more time we will have brainstorming upon average velocity. Average velocity. Average velocity of a body is the displacement of the body divided by the time interval in which displacement occurs. Average velocity of a body is the displacement of the body divided by the time interval in which displacement occurs. It is constant for an entire route. This is average velocity. Now we will have brainstorming on instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity. The velocity of a body for a particular moment of time instant is called instantaneous velocity. It can be different for different time. Instantaneous velocity. The velocity of a body for a particular moment of time. It means for an instant period of time is called instantaneous velocity. It can be different for different time. Again, instantaneous velocity. The velocity of a body for a particular moment of time, means for a particular instant, is called as instantaneous velocity. It can be different for different time. The velocity of the body for a particular moment of time, it means for an instant period of time, is called instantaneous velocity. It can be different for different time. Now we will have brainstorming on both the topic with the help of example which is given in our book. Let a body move from point A to B, B to C and C to D in a straight line and cover the distance AD as shown in figure. let a body move from point A to B, B to C and C to D in a straight line and cover the distance AD as shown in figure. Twenty plus 30 plus 10. Here, the distance AD covered by body is 10 km in 10 minutes. The distance BC covered by body is 10 km in 20 minutes. Distance CD is 20 km covered by body in 30 minutes. The total distance AD covered by body is 40 km and the total time required is 60 minutes and 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Now, again, let a body move from point A to B, B to C and C to D in a straight line and cover the distance AD as shown in the figure. The path along with which a body moves is called as distance. Distance is the actual path along with which the body moves. So the body is moving from A to B, from B to C and C to D. Here distance AB is 10 km. Distance BC is 10 kilometers. Distance CD is 20 kilometers and the complete distance AD is 40 kilometers. And the time taken by a body is 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes and 60 minutes, that is 1 hour respectively. Now let's consider this problem and have brainstorming on this problem. Average velocity is equal to displacement upon time. My dear students, you have seen I have written displacement because we are studying velocity. When a body moves in a straight line, then distance and displacement is the same. We have seen in the last example. So average velocity is equal to displacement upon time. But displacement of which is AD upon time AD. Average velocity here we are going to consider by a unit kilometer upon hour. Kilometer upon hour. So the total displacement is equal to the total distance is what? 40 kilometer, and the time is 60 minutes, but we are considering it in hour. So what? 1 hour. So average velocity in kilometer per hour is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. In our definition, we have mentioned that average velocity is always constant, and this average velocity given in our example will also be constant. Here we have found out average velocity is equal to 40 km per hour, and average velocity will always be constant, and this will be constant throughout the route. Now we will study the other type of velocity which we have discussed. Instantaneous velocity for distance AB in incident velocity for distance AB, and the unit is what? Kilometer per hour, is equal to displacement AB upon time AB is equal to, what is the distance given here? 10 km. What is the time given here? 10 minutes. But we are finding instantaneous velocity of distance AB by unit kilometer per hour, and this is minute, so we have to convert it into hours. Minute we have to convert it into hours. What will we do? Hours, minute. 1 hour 60 minutes. 10 minutes x hours. We'll do the cross multiplication. What will we get? We get 60x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 by 60 hours. What is x? X is what? Hours. So, in instantaneous velocity for the displacement AB upon by the unit kilometer per hour is equal to 10 kilometer and 10 minutes is equal to 10 by 60 hours. Here we can write it in this way: 10 divided by 10 by 60 hours. Therefore, 10 into division will convert into multiplication. We have to take the reciprocal of the fraction which is given, 60 upon 10. Kilometer per hour, 10 get cancelled is equal to 60 kilometer per hour. We got the answer. Second, instantaneous velocity for distance BC in kilometer per hour is equal to displacement BC upon time, displacement BC upon time BC is equal to 10 kilometer and time is 20 minutes. Now again my dear student, we have kilometer per minute and we are going to find the answer by kilometer per hour. So again hours, minutes, 1 hour, 60 minutes, 20 minutes, x, cross multiplication, 60x is equal to 20, x is equal to 20 by 60. This value will put in place of minutes. The minutes will get converted into hours. Instantaneous velocity for distance BC in kilometer per hour is equal to 10 by 20 by 60 hours. This we can write 10 divided by 20 by 60 kilometer per hour. Again 10 division get converted into multiplication, fractions reciprocal, so 60 by 20, 0, 0, 2 1s are 2, 2, 3s are 6, 3 10s are 30, 30 kilometer per hour. Instantaneous velocity for distance BC in kilometer per hour is equal to 30 kilometer per hour. Instantaneous velocity for distance CD in kilometer per hour is equal to displacement CD upon time CD is equal to CD 20 kilometer and time is what? 30 minutes is equal to 20 kilometer and 30 minutes means what? Half hour. This can be written as 20 divided by 1 by 2 kilometer per hour. Then we can write 20, but division can be converted into multiplication. We will do reciprocal 2 by 1 is equal to what? 40 kilometer per hour. In this example, student, we have considered the velocity in kilometer per hour, and according to that we have converted minute into hours and calculated the given values. The average velocity is 40 kilometer per hour. It will be constant. But instantaneous velocity differ in different time. So here we will find for AB velocity is 60 km per hour. For BC the velocity is 30 km per hour, and for CD the velocity is 40 km per hour, but the average velocity will be constant, that is 40 km per hour. In this example, we see that there is change in velocity 60, 30, 40. There is change in velocity, and as there is change in velocity, there is acceleration in this motion. As there is change in velocity, there is acceleration in this motion. That's all, students. We'll stop here, and in the next class we will discuss a new topic. Thank you very much.